Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 16. So I'm already waiting for Dan to go and brush his teeth. He's just sitting here playing Candy Crush because he's just smashed 15 levels. Isn't it, Bot?
Yep.
And turn around and say hi. He's just smashed the 15 levels on my phone. So yeah, so we're all ready to go. We're going to go into Hive Town and then we're going to go for some lunch later. So I'll catch you again later. Bye.
You don't even reply.
Hi. Meet Sandra.
Oh.
This is Dan's mum. Say hello to Vlogmas, Sandra.
Hello, blog. Oh,
No.
blogging?
Vlogmas.
Vlogmas?
Yeah.
Vlogmas. Oh, it's not
It's
one of
vlogging every day. So every day I'm doing a video.
Oh, like blogging all the way. Wonderful stuff to see. You can bring me up. Go to the
We just had lunch and waiting for dessert.
Yeah, we're waiting for dessert. Soon.
Soon. At the moment, there is no dessert here. Hi guys, just at my sister's.
Yeah, but that's not what. That's what.
Talking about Christmas dinner. Bees?
What do you mean? Like in a packet?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm not that. I know what's going to happen.
No, you don't want to do it nice.
Hi Bees.
Hi.
This is Vlogmas again.
Hi, Vlogmas.
Not Vlogmas.
Okay, so potatoes, Yorkshire.
Vlogmas.
It's easy.
Just talking Christmas dinner.
Oh
Potatoes, Yorkshire. What else?
Sprouts.
You put
Sprouts.
No.
Take a picture.
Alright, wait.
And carrots.
Turn off the video first. Hi everyone, so back home now and currently got some toast on because we had quite a big lunch and I'm not actually that hungry, so I'm just gonna have some toast with some peanut butter and jam. That's my jam. Oh, silly, but I just thought that was funny. Don't worry about me. In a bit of those like funny moods. So I am going to edit day 14, 15 and this video today, or vlog. I'll try and do as much as I can. I'm off tomorrow because I'm actually meeting up with my friend Kenny who's come from Hong Kong. So that should be quite a good day out for vlogging. I'm going to do my advent. Let's do the advent. Got our tree on and I'm actually loving the little roses, and we actually got us a tree topper today, so I thought that was quite cute. Gonna do the advent, which is here. Sorry if you can hear Dan. But let's do 15. Got another one of these square link things. Can't get it out. Oh my days. I can't actually get it out. Okay, well that's 15. And yeah? Alright, I'm coming. 16. And another little ball so that I can get out. Cool. So I'll check in again with you later before I end this vlog. So guys, I've managed to upload 2 vlogs, day 14 and day 15. So that's now live. So now all I have to do is edit this one and then I'm all up to date. So I'm going to end today's vlog here now guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you tomorrow for day 17. Night night.